Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to create Airtable token. Open up your Airtable account, click on your profile on the top right corner and click on Builder Hub. Click here on Create Token. Click here, give a name to your token. Click here to add a scope and any one command you prefer. Click here to give access to any specific base. And click here to create token. Copy the token and save it. Then tap on Done. You have successfully created a token on Airtable. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.